Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload a custom font to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to give your site a unique look and align it perfectly with your brand identity. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several selections. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This step ensures you're accessing the correct site settings for the website where you want to make changes. Now that you've selected your website, you'll be taken to a page displaying various website settings. Take a moment here to confirm that this is indeed the website you want to upload your custom font to. It's always good practice to double check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. From this settings page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to customizing the visual aspects of your website. Click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. The first thing we need to do here is locate a sample text block on your page. Once you've found one, click on it and highlight some sample text within that block. This allows you to access the text formatting options. Once your text is highlighted, you'll notice a text settings window appears. This window gives you control over various text properties. From here, click on the Fonts drop-down menu. A list of available fonts will appear, showcasing all the options currently available for your site. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of this list. You'll see an Upload Fonts link waiting for you. Click on it to move forward with uploading your custom font. A new window titled Manage Your Fonts will appear on your screen. This is your central hub for font management. Look toward the upper right corner of this window and click on the Upload Fonts button. Once you click it, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse files stored on your computer. Navigate through your folders to locate the font file you wish to upload. When you've found the correct file, click Open. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the font finishes uploading. Wix will process the file and prepare it for use on your website. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a green check mark appear along with a sample preview of your newly uploaded font. This confirmation lets you know everything went smoothly. When you're satisfied, click on Done to finalize the process. And that's it. Your custom font is now available to use across your Wix website, giving you complete control over your site's typography. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.